Good morning, students. How are you, dear? Fine. Welcome back to our channel for Grade 2 Math and Science. Today we have Chapter 12, Lesson 7, Related Multiplication Facts. Pages 561, 562, homework page 163. Today we will use the commutative or change the order property of multiplication, and we will use the multiplication table. First, they ask me two equal rows, 5 in each row. So I will use the array. I will fill two equal rows in each row, 5. The multiplication sentence is 2 multiply 5 equal. I count how many counters or squares I fill in all. The answer is 10. The product equal 10. Now 5 equal rows, 2 in each row. I will use the array. I will fill 5 rows, 2 in each row. 5 equal rows, 2 in each row. The multiplication sentence is 5 multiply 2, 5 equal rows multiply 2 in each. The product equal 10. So what? The product stay the same when we change the order of the factors. Be careful, I change the order of the factors. The factor is number 2 and other factor is number 5. 2 multiply 5 equal 10. If I change the order between the two factors, 5 multiply 2 equal 10. But the drawing, the array is not the same. It's different because in the first one, I fill 2 rows in each 5. The second one, I fill 5 rows in each 2. As you see in the picture also, I have 2 balloons multiply 3 equal 6 in all. If I change the order between the two factors and I say 3 multiply 2 equal the same product. So the product stays the same when we change the order of the factors. Now let us go to your book on page 561. The question is color each grid. It means the paper which I use it to color or draw the array. Exercise number 2. First one, they said 5 rows of 3. 5 rows of 3. So in the grid paper, I will fill in 5 rows, in each row 3. The multiplication sentence, it's 5 multiply 3 equal, when I count how many counters or how many squares did I fill in all, the product equal 15. The second one, they said the 3 rows of 5. 3 rows of 5. It means I will color 3 rows in each row, 5. 3 equal rows in each 5. The multiplication sentence is 3 rows multiply 5 in each equal, I count how many in all, 15. So when I change the order between the factors, the product stay the same, but be careful again, the drawing or the coloring will not be the same. It's different. In the first one, I have 5 rows in each 3. The second one, I have 3 rows in each 5. Complete the multiplication table in your book, page 562, exercise number 8. You have the multiplication table. And this time, the first row will be the number of groups. The first row is the number of the groups. The first column is the number in each group. I will start from number 0. 0 groups, multiply 0 on each group. Equal, I will fill inside the box, equal 0. Now, 1 multiply 1. Group multiply 0 in each group. The answer or the product is 0. 2 groups multiply 0 in each group equal 0. Remember that any number I multiply it by 0 equal 0. I will go now to 0. Number of groups multiply 1 in each group equals 0. 1 group multiply 1 in each group equal 1. 2 is the number of groups multiply 1 in each group equal 2. Remember, any number I multiply it by 1 equal the same number. Now, for example, I have 0 groups multiply 2 in each group equals 0. 1 multiply 2 in each group equal 2. 2 groups multiply 2 in each group equal 4. You will continue filling the multiplication table and check your answers. This table is collecting all the tables which we learned before for multiplication, for table number 2, table of 3, and table of 4, table of 5. This is the multiplication table. Let us go to the problem solving. Exercise number 9. Mark has 4 clear boxes. He puts 5 of his toy figures in each box. The question is, how many toy figures does Mark have? Again, Mark has 4 boxes. The 4 boxes model what? The 4 equal groups. He puts in each group, in each box, 5 toys. How many toy figures in all? So I use the multiplication. 5 in each, multiply 4 equal groups. You can find the answer. Choose any of the methods which we learned before. Repeated addition, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 4 times equal 20. Skip counting by 5. Start from number 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Why I start by 5? Why I add 5? Because I have in each group or in each box 5. Skip counting by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. Draw equal groups. I have how many boxes? 4 equal groups. In each, I have 5 toy figures in each. I count how many in all. I find the answer. Or use the array. I will fill the counters 4 equal rows. In each row, 5. 4 equal rows in each 5. I count how many in all. The answer is 20 in all. So how many toy figures? The product is 20. Problem solving exercise number 10. Jane has her toy figures on 5 shelves. She puts 4 figures on each shelf. The question is, how many toy figures does Jane have? So this time I have 5 shelves. The 5 shelves means the 5 groups. 5 groups. She puts how many in each? In each I have 4 toy figures. How many toy figures in all? I will use the multiplication sentence. I have 4 in each, multiply 5 groups. Again, to find the answer, choose any of the methods which we learned. Repeated addition, I will add number 4 to itself 5 times. Why number 4? Because number 4 is the number in each. So I will repeat adding number 4 5 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal 20. Or skip counting by 4s. Okay, use your hands, fingers, 5 fingers. Start from number 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Or draw equal groups. I have 5 shelves which modeled 5 equal groups. In each group, I have 4 in each group and I count how many in all. Or use the array. I will fill 5 equal rows because I have 5 shelves or 5 groups, 5 rows. In each row, 4. So 5 rows of 4. You will color 5 rows of 4. I count how many in all? The answer is 20. The product equal 20. So how many toy figures in all? 20 toy figures. Notice that in exercise number 9, exercise number 10, I change the order between the two factors. In problem solving number 9, problem solving number 10, the two factors are 4 and 5. If I change the order between the factors, the product stay the same. This is the multiplication related fact that when I change the order between the factors, the product stay the same. I hope that the lesson is clear. Classwork page 561, 562. The homework is page 163. Thank you for listening and see you soon.